Hey, welcome to Quick Tips on Unity from Snack Games. Unity is a very big software, so I would like to share some tips that I learned during my game development journey with Unity. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. In today's video, we'll see how to properly increase or decrease the horizontal scale of your sprites. Sprites naturally form the visual building blocks of your game. In this small scene itself, we have so many sprites. The game character, the platform, the clouds and even the water. But I personally feel that the background is the most important in any game. Without a background, your scene just looks plain old. Let's take an example and see how to use a sprite as a background and scale it properly on the horizontal axis. So I'll change my camera settings, go to the color and make it white, and change the orthographic size of the camera to 10. We then take our sample example sprite and see that it doesn't fit into the complete viewport of the camera. So the natural thing is to probably scale it on the horizontal axis to fit it, right? So let's go ahead and simply try to scale it using the regular rect transform. And right away you see the problem. It stretches badly. It's not at all the best option to go ahead and scale it simply on the horizontal scale. Now instead of the first option, I change the draw mode to tiled. I reset the horizontal scale back to 1, and if you see in the tile mode there are two options, continuous, adaptive. I put the mode to continuous and then let's try to again scale it using the rect transform. And right away you see the difference. Your sprite now doesn't stretch but rather repeats itself on the horizontal axis, and it's a visual treat. Of course, the same thing applies on the vertical axis as well, so don't try to do that, it won't look good. The other option is to use adaptive mode, and with adaptive mode you get something called a stretch value. Let's see this option in action. We again try to scale it using the rect transform and oh no, it seems to be stretching again. But if I continue to stretch, you see it again starts repeating. You see, let's see again. So this is actually influenced by the stretch value which we just talked about. By default, the stretch value is 0.5, meaning it will stretch till the unit of 0.5 and then start repeating itself. And if you make the stretch value to 0, that essentially means it's in continuous mode. Alright then, hope this tip was useful for you all. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.